How to change your name on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I will show you the way as to how you can change your name on the Facebook app or Facebook account. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now first things first, what you have to do is simply make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Facebook app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Facebook, and go ahead and simply either download or update the application. Once you've updated the Facebook app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see that this is how it is going to look like. In order to change on our name on Facebook, first of all tap on the menu icon which you see on the top right corner of the screen. As you do that, here you want to scroll down to the bottom, select settings and privacy, and go to the option called settings, which is at the very top. As you go to settings over here, what you want to do is you have to go to the option called personal information. As you can read there, it says that you want to update your name and contact information connected to your Facebook account. Then just tap on the personal information button. As soon as you do that, right on top you can see our current name, and if we want to change our name on Facebook, we would need to simply tap on it, and it will ask us to enter our new name which you want to change. Keep in mind that if you change a name on Facebook, you cannot change it again for 60 days, that means 2 months, so do not add any unusual capitalization or anything that you're going to regret later. And once you've changed the name, just tap on the review change button at the bottom of the screen, and if you're eligible for the change, your name is going to be successfully changed on Facebook. And this is how you can change your Facebook account's name. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.